Gamers are ditching RTX for this beast? ASUS TUF RX 9070 XTOC review gets spicy. Feel like your current GPU is gaslighting you? You're not imagining it, those lag spikes, the frame dips, the fan screaming like a banshee in a wind tunnel, it's real. You've upgraded your mouse, your monitor, even your freaking chair. But your GPU? Still acting like it's 2015. You're stuck in a never-ending cycle of tweaking settings just to squeeze out a playable experience. It's exhausting. Worse, your future-proof card now wheezes at 1440p. What's the point of playing AAA titles if it looks like you're watching a PowerPoint presentation during a thunderstorm? If you're tired of tech that talks big and crashes harder, you're not alone. Deadlines don't wait. Neither does lag. When you're mid-match and that stutter kills your killstreak, or worse, your rank, you know it's deeper than frustration. It's betrayal. You're not just gaming anymore. You're juggling fan curves, patch notes, and underclocking to avoid thermal meltdowns. Meanwhile, the competition flexes 4K visuals and zero latency while you pray your card doesn't cook itself. Every second you spend struggling with underpowered hardware is one more lost opportunity. That perfect stream clip, that clutch tourney win, that shot at the leaderboard. Burnout hits fast when the tools are trash. And your dreams deserve better than good enough. Introducing the ASUS TUF Gaming Radeon RX 9070 XTOC, your zero-compromise GPU upgrade. This thing is not just a card, it's a straight-up beast forged in a military-grade exoskeleton. Built on AMD's next-gen RDNA 4 architecture, the RX 9070 XTOC edition throws down with 16GB of ultra-fast GDDR6, 2670 MHz boost clock, and a thermal design that's basically air conditioning for your rig. Think Axial fans, a vented aluminum exoskeleton, dual ball bearings rated for 80k hours, and a phase-change thermal pad that sounds like sci-fi but keeps temps chill under fire. It's overkill, in the best way possible. And with Auto Extreme tech, you're getting precision-built reliability that laughs in the face of stress tests. Plug it in, power it up, and feel the chaos melt away. From the moment you fire it up, workflows streamline, frames stabilize, and distractions disappear. No more throttling, no more BIOS tweaking marathons. Just 4K plus gaming, buttery streaming, and pro-grade creative workloads handled like a boss. TUF isn't just a branding gimmick, it's how this card lives. Tough chokes, durable capacitors, and a fortified PCB make it feel like it could survive a lawn party in a sandstorm. Want to explore more or deep dive into benchmark bliss? Tap that bell, hit subscribe, and get the inside scoop on the beast that's making GPUs fun again. Act now or stay stuck, your move. Stock won't last. Gamers are already jumping ship from their RTX setups to experience the raw, unfiltered performance of the RX 9070 XTOC. Thousands are making the leap to smoother frames, cooler temps, and elite-level durability. Don't let analysis paralysis leave you in the dust. This isn't hype, it's hardware that delivers. If you're serious about gaming, streaming, content creation, or just sick of losing to hardware bottlenecks, this is your signal. Smash that link below and grab yours now, before it disappears into the silicon void. Your future rig will thank you.